What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by, man. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. We on the road to 1,000. We're about 90 away, man. So y'all tap in, help me get there. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's get right into it, man. This shoe is for sure my second favorite, but after seeing this in hand, man, it might be my #1 ranked shoe from the Doernbecher collection of 2023, man. Let's get into it, man. Top of the box reads Doernbecher Freestyle, man. Same box, blue and white writing. Doernbecher on the side here. Doernbecher on the side of the top there. Tag on this joint reads Nike Zoom Vomero 5 DB18, bright crimson and total orange. Size 11.5, man. I was able to cop a personal in these joints. Now, this shoe was designed by a kid named Doernbecher, or Haycock, sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Age 10, diagnosis is a cleft palate shoe, Nike Zoom Vomero 5. You heard it here first. The future will be assembled by Doernbecher. Equal parts energy and ideas. He loves creating, coding, building robots. Jaren shoe captures his inventive spirit with interchangeable patches and honors his Chinese heritage with dragon-inspired design cues. Look inside the shoe and you will find what matters most to Jaren, the names of his siblings, bro. Now, I can honestly say that I was not checking for this shoe up until the release date when I saw Nice Kicks post these photos right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add these photos in from Nice Kicks, man. And they added all the patches to the shoe. And I did not know that came with all these patches and all these extra accessories. So that was probably like an hour before the drop, maybe. And I went for them right then. I actually didn't hit, my girlfriend hit, so we here, man, we here. I got these joints, and this is the best shoe of the collection to me. This is the best shoe of the collection. Let's get into it. Now, first things first, man, before you even get to the shoe, man, the first thing you see is accessories inside the box, man. This is a Velcro patch, man. This is where you hold all of the extra Velcros. On here, they gave him a custom Dragon Nike swoosh. It has all his siblings' names. His name is Jaren, Team J, Team J. This one says Jamon, Josie, and Jolie. I'm assuming these are his siblings, I'm pretty sure. Gave him some different color Dragon Nike style swooshes. This one looks like a Minecraft-ish looking Nike swoosh. The last two patches on this joint say, "This is how I roll and take it easy, man." Probably my favorite part about this shoe and what set it over the top for me. Here it has some lace locks, man, so you can cut the laces and have them like, I guess, or you don't have the time to have short laces. On the front here is like the Dragon Nike sign, same thing that's on the patches. And here's just directions on how to cut the laces and install these lace locks here and have them cut short. So it could just be dangly laces like number 4, number 5 is like that, man. So that's what they're saying to do, but I probably won't cut these joints, but we'll see, we'll see. Moving on, man, let's get into the shoe. Here we have the Nike Zoom Vomero 5, man. Now the swoosh is Velcro. I know a lot of this stuff looks like suede, but it's all Velcro. This front part is Velcro, and the yellow and the orange, all of that is Velcro. Coming to the side, man, that swoosh is Velcro. The back part, this orange, this yellow is Velcro. To the back of the shoe, all of this is Velcro. This is like a 3D printed style feel. This feels like like a Ultra Boost 3D. That's what that reminds me of. But that's the only like hard part of the shoe. That and the stripes right here on the side, those are like plastic as well. But everything else is like literally Velcro or like fabric. So on the inside, Velcro everywhere. And this is so you can customize it with all of these patches, man. They supply plenty of patches, and there's space for you to add anything that you really would want. It comes with black laces with red tips. The red lace tips say Team J and white. Getting to that tongue, it's a black tongue with like the digital looking Nike swoosh says Team J on it. Black laces. On the back, it's orange with the red Nike hit. Right here it says future. Right here it says assembling. I believe it's assembling the future is what this is supposed to say. Yeah, definitely assembling future on both of these shoes. I'm getting to the outsole of the shoe. It has the Zoom Vomero outsole on the bottom, man. It has red hits. These white hits glow in the dark. Has orange, yellow. Just sticking to the colors of his culture, man. They really did good with this shoe. And this young man probably has the best shoe out of the pack. And like I said earlier, man, I was not excited about this shoe initially going into the drop, bro. But once I seen Nice Kicks post those patches, that's when I realized that it was Velcro everywhere. I literally had no idea until I seen that picture. And I'm glad I grabbed these joints. This is definitely one of the best ones out of the pack. The Vomero is not an extremely popular shoe. I know it's kind of popular now. They're releasing a couple of dope colorways, but this isn't just an extremely popular shoe, but this is the best Vomero to release this year, hands down. Better than a regular joints. I know it's kind of kiddish, but the details are just A1. Now, as I said earlier, man, it comes with black laces installed here, but not only does it come with black laces, it comes with green laces, purple laces, yellow laces, red laces, blue laces, orange laces. This is the first shoe I've ever seen come with 7 laces, bro. Not only did it come with 7 laces, it came with all of those patches, bro. This shoe is just crazy detail-wise, man. Detail-wise, detail-wise, detail-wise. He snapped, bro. Jaren, my guy, you snapped. You snapped with this one. This is definitely the best shoe out of the pack. Unpopular opinion, people are gonna go with the Jordan 1 because it's more of a regular shoe, man. People are gonna take the phone posit, but this shoe right here with all of these laces and accessories, bro, this is the best shoe out of the pack, hands down, bro. Super light. I haven't tried it on yet, but I know it's comfortable. I can just feel it. I can feel the softness on the midsole. I know it's gonna be the most comfortable shoe, hands down, but this is the best shoe out of the pack for sure. Now, all of the laces have the Team J on the aglets or the lace tips of the shoe. They all say Team J, but they snapped with all of the accessories, man. They went crazy with these. Now, getting into the left shoe, man, it's the same on both sides, man. All Velcro all the way around so you can add the patches, but this tongue is just a little different. It has a Chinese symbol. I'm not sure what that says. I believe this is like a cartoon version of the guy Jaren, and it has Team J on this one, man. So just slightly different than this one, but just dope details, man. The insole has like what looks like FLYEERRKicks, maybe. Let me pull the insole and let's see what this joint says. Now on the insole, man, has he and his siblings' names, Jamon, Josie, Jolie, and Jaren. Has a Nike check and what looks to be FLYEERRKicks. I'm assuming like going back to his Chinese culture once again, but these joints are clean, bro. Hands down the best shoe out of the pack, man. Hands down the best shoe out of the pack. And even on the bottom of the under the insole, I believe these are like initials of he and his family, maybe. I'm not sure, but even has writing on the bottom of the insole. I've never seen that in a shoe ever, so maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong, but these are just the most detailed and crazy shoe that I've seen out of Doernbecher in a while. Maybe I'm being biased because I actually got these joints, but this is crazy. These are it, bro. Jaren, my guy. Jaren, you snap, my boy. Another detail I want to point out, man, on the front of the shoe, it does have his name. It has Jaren there. And yeah, man, the more I look at this shoe, the more details you're gonna find. And I'm happy I grabbed these joints, man. I'm happy that Nice Kicks posted these. Other than that, these would not be in my possession at all, bro. Not at all. Before we close out the video, man, I'm just gonna throw a couple of patches on here, man. Just show y'all what the patches will look like on the shoe. Now, I didn't take my time, but here's just a quick example of what the patches could look like, man. Got the dragon swoosh on here, man. I went backwards, I guess Travis Scott style like everyone says, but I was just throwing stuff on here. Has a swoosh on this side. On the front it has Jaren, patch, Team J. Right here it says take it easy. On the back I threw the heart patch, man. These joints are clean, details are crazy, and the opportunities and the outfits are endless, bro. They included 7 sets of laces in the shoe. That right there sold it for me. I don't know about you, but these are it, man. These are it. But overall, man, that just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing, quick unview of, in my opinion, the best Doernbecher out of the pack this year, the Zoom Vomero 5, done by my guy Jaren. You've seen the patches, you've seen the laces, you've seen all of the details, man. Leave a comment down below, let me know how you guys feeling about these. Did you know these joints came with all the extra accessories and patches and laces? Did you know they were Velcro, or is this news to you? It was news to me right before the drop, and that's how I grabbed them, man. But like I said, that just about wraps it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got the Zoom Vomero 5 by my guy Jaren, man, the Doernbecher 2023. Peace.